level of detail expressions, exercises, table scoped. In this exercise, we will look at what happens when you do not have a scoping keyword. Note, this is extremely useful and I use this regularly in my work. So let's go to Tableau. So we'll start by going to Microsoft Excel and loading in our sample Superstore data source. Take orders, let's drop it in. And now we are going to create our table scoped level of detail expression. Let's create a new calculated field. In the formula, I just want to put the following: min, order date, close the bracket, close the level of detail expression. That's it. As simple as that, we have now created a level of detail expression that calculates the minimum order date for the entire data source. How do I use this? Typically I don't use min, typically I'll use max to get the most recent date within our data set. So this is a very quick way to just getting the total number and putting it into a dimension. So now that we have this. So for example, I could use this in formulas now if my order date is equal to min date, or if my order date is equal to max date. There's a lot of ways we can play with this, but this is how you create a table scoped level of detail expression. Exclude the scoping keyword, no dimensionality, just the curly brackets around your aggregation. Enjoy.